Hi everyone, welcome to back to my channel. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm super excited to share a big transformation. I'm giving my house a whole new look. I wanted to change from past like four and a half years. We haven't done anything to our house, no paint, nothing. So I thought this year I'll make changes from fresh paint on the wall to some easy yet wall DIYs. So I'll add little designs on the wall and it will give you a good texturization. So here, so nowadays it is like trending molding, wall molding. So I'm going to give that, okay, and using wooden strips, also known as wall molding. So I'm adding a touch of elegance and personality to every corner today. You will see how simple wooden trims can completely change the vibes of your house, making it look more stylish. So here, don't worry, I'll show you each step so you can try to. So stay tuned, watch till the end.